Hello everyone. In this video, we will see the mechanism of electrophilic addition to carbon-carbon double bond. Now for this, let us consider attack of acidic reagent, that is HX, to the alkene. So here this mechanism, it is a two-step mechanism. In step first, it is formation of carbocation. Step first is formation of carbocation. You know carbocation, it is an electron deficient species containing positively charged carbon atom. So in this step here, this alkene molecule, alkene, it is attacked by the acidic reagent, that is HX. So this is alkene, this is the reagent. So this alkene, it attacks this acidic actually reagent, and here we will get the positively charged species, that is containing positively charged carbon, which is called as carbocation, and there is generation of base, and this is the slow step of reaction. It is a step first, that is formation of carbocation is a slow step of reaction. Then in the second step, that is there is attack of the base. In second step, there is attack of base to the carbocation, attachment or attack of base to carbocation, attack of base on the carbocation, so that here we can write this carbocation which is formed in the first step of reaction plus X minus. So this X minus, that is base, it that attacks the carbocation, and here we will get the addition product, and this is, you know, this is the first step of reaction. So here in first step, you know, actually there is a transfer of a proton, that is H plus, from the reagent to the alkene occurs. Transfer of H plus from reagent to the alkene occurs, and here we get this positively charged species that is called as the carbocation, and here there is generation of the base which is containing the lone pair of electron, that is this bond, it is actually shifted on this X, so that you get X minus charge which is having a pair of electron which is termed as the base. This is the base. So this is the first step of reaction, and in the step second, there is actually nucleophilic attack of this base, that is X minus, on the carbocation to get the addition product, and this is the first step of this reaction. This is the first step of reaction first step, that is the slow step of reaction, which is also called as the rate determining step of this reaction. Rate determining step of reaction, because rate of this reaction is equal to K into concentration of alkene into concentration of the HX, that is the reagent, concentration of the reagent. Here, the reaction, it requires acidic reagent, that is HX. It is an acidic reagent which can abstract the electrons from the substrate, that is alkene. It gives the electrons to this acidic reagent. And here, if concentration of alkene or concentration of reagent, if it is reduced to half, then the rate of reaction also becomes half. The rate of reaction becomes half, and therefore here we can say that rate of reaction, it depends upon the concentration of alkene as well as concentration of the reagent. So here this alkene, it acts as a weak base, and our reagent, it is strongly acid or generally acidic in the nature.